Welcome to today's lesson. My name is Dave. I am your English teacher. And today we are learning about should and shouldn't. Okay, they are modal verbs like can, can't, will, won't, must, mustn't, should, shouldn't. And should means it's a good idea, and shouldn't means it's a bad idea. For example, we say, you shouldn't smoke. Yeah, you shouldn't smoke. It's a bad idea to smoke. It's a bad idea. Why? Because it's bad for your lungs. It's bad for your lungs. It's bad for your health. Yeah, it's bad for you. It's bad for you. It's a bad idea. You shouldn't smoke. Okay? It's a bad idea to smoke. Shouldn't. Yeah, shouldn't. And that means you should not smoke. And you can say that. You should not smoke. You shouldn't smoke. Or if something is a good idea, yeah, homework. You are a student. Homework is a good idea. More homework means you learn more words. So you should do more homework, maybe another hour, another 2 hours every day. So you should do more homework. It's advice. Should and shouldn't are advice. Yeah, it's my advice for you. Advice. Okay? And advice is a noun. Advise is a verb. Advise someone or give someone advice. Give someone advice. And notice we always use verb in infinitive after should, after shouldn't, because it's a modal verb. Modal verb plus infinitive. No to. Yeah, no to. No to. No to. Okay? You shouldn't smoke. You should do. No to. You should do more homework. Okay? Now, I want you to give me advice. I want you to give me advice. What should I do? Notice, it's a question. It's a question. Not what I should do. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Give me advice. What should I do? I'm cold. I'm cold. What should I do? I'm cold. What should I do? Give me advice. So maybe I should close the window. Yeah, and you can say, Dave, you should close the window. You should close the window. Yeah, if you are cold, you should close the window. You should close the window. Yeah, if you are cold. Or, Dave, you should put on a jumper. You should, or maybe I have a jumper, I have a sweater or jumper. Maybe you should put on a coat. A coat, yeah? A big coat or a big jacket. Yeah, you should put on a coat if you are cold. You should put on a scarf if you are cold. You should put on a hat if you are cold. Yeah, so you should, yeah, you should put on a coat. You shouldn't open the window. You will be colder. You shouldn't open the window. It's a bad idea. Yeah, you shouldn't open the window if you are cold. So you should close the window. You should put on a coat. Yeah. You shouldn't take off your jumper, your sweater, your grey sweater. You shouldn't take off your grey sweater. It's cold. Okay, so I'm cold. You should close the window. You should put on a coat. Okay. How about now? Now I'm too hot. Oof, I'm too hot, guys. I'm too hot. It's very sunny. It's 30 degrees. I'm too hot. What should I do? I am too hot. Too hot means very, very, very hot. Yeah, I'm too hot. What should I do? What should I do? So maybe, Dave, you should open a window. You should open a window. Yeah, if you are too hot, you should open a window. And the wind will come in. Yeah, the wind will come in and you will get colder. So if you are too hot, Dave, you should open a window. Or, Dave, you should take off your jumper. You should take off your sweater, your jacket, your coat, yeah, your sweater. This is my sweater, my grey sweater. Dave, you should take off your sweater. Okay? It's advice. You are giving me advice. You are giving me advice. Okay, number 3. I'm hungry. I'm hungry.